of real estate.
And today we're going to be talking about the different financing programs, right?
Yes, yes. You have to get qualified. Like we said, you must get qualified to buy your investment property.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a lot of different things that the lender looks for. And you have to have these things.
Like having a job. You
Right,
know, and
right.
you can't have these fake pay stubs, guys. Do not
Don't do
do
that.
the fake pay
Don't
stubs.
do that.
It's not gonna work, you know.
Your fastest way to go to jail.
Loan fraud.
Yes.
Don't
Yes.
do it.
So-
Just go get a job.
Yeah.
You know, or some kind of, you know, if you do 1099, show the bank statements. You know, make sure the money's coming from a, you know, what did we say?
A legal place.
Yeah. I try to, you know, be
Make
transparent.
sure it's legal.
Yes.
Because if it's not, you know, it just get ugly. It gets sticky. You don't
Yeah.
want to do it.
You
know.
don't.
It's not worth it.
No.
So, yeah.
Yeah. So guys, you want to keep watching this video because we're giving away something at the end, and we're going to tell you more about it in just a few minutes.
You want to search out your lenders. They have different lenders out here.
So the different funding programs that they have are,
They're FHA.
and then they have VA loans for veterans,
You can buy cash. If you got cash, hey, flaunt it around.
and what, hard money loans?
Yeah. They
Yeah.
got hard money loans. They
Yeah.
have VA loans. But wait, let me talk about the hard money loan a little bit.
Okay.
The hard money loan is a loan that you guys get that it's exactly what it means. It's hard money. And guys, be careful with that loan. So that's another part of, you know, we have to get into details and teaching. But that loan has a very high interest rate, and it also balloons at the end of the loan. And ballooning means that at the end of the loan, if the payoff is $100,000, you will owe that $100,000 in 6 months. So yeah, so you know that is important about, and they have high interest rates, and also I don't really recommend it, but you know, hard money loan is not like, it's like private money. They're not governed by the banks or anything, and hard money they go by their own rules. So yeah, and also if you don't have all your paperwork, all those things, these just private people lending out their money, and they have their own rules. So be careful with that hard money. What's the next one?
I was gonna say FHA loan.
Yeah, well, FHA loan is a government loan, and
Yeah.
that one, you know,
That one's pretty common. Everybody pretty much,
Pretty
you know,
cool,
goes for
pretty
FHA
cool.
loan.
sometimes FHA carry a no money down program, which is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
FHA is great for first time home buyers. You know.
And a VA loan for
VA.
all the veterans.
Yeah.
You know, they usually,
Yeah.
you know, do 100% financing.
Yeah.
Which is really great for vets.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
And then the one that everybody loves, cash.
Conventional loan.
Yes, we forgot conventional.
Yeah.
Conventional also have no money down and all these things. Not that much of a strict loan. Carries a pretty good interest rate too. So yeah, a lot of times when people are buying investment, they may go conventional. Yeah, FHA is a lot of times just for single family home owners that's gonna occupy the property. Veteran loans, so the same thing too. So yeah, that conventional loan is pretty good for that.
Yeah. Is that all loans?
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, they
I
have.
think that's pretty much.
I think we covered all of them.
Yeah, the most
basic,
common
yeah,
loans.
the most common ones.
Yeah, so guys, we have investment real estate classes that we're giving. If you click the link in the description box, we're going to teach you step by step our real estate secrets and all of our real estate investing advice that we have. Tell them about the free giveaway.
Free stuff. Yeah. Guys, 3 chapters out of my book, Make Millions with Pre-Foreclosure Properties. It's all free to you. So you can get a little drift of if you like the book or not. And if you do, then you go ahead and purchase the book. But free 3 chapters of Make Millions with Pre-Foreclosure Properties. It tells you how to make money with short sale properties.
Yes, and click the link in the description box also to get your free giveaway. Alright guys, that concludes our video. Make sure you like, comment, and
Subscribe.
and turn on our post notifications to hear more real estate advice. See ya later.
Bye.